In this video, we're going to explore the project library. To access your project's library, click on this menu. Once here, you can find symbols, shared styles, and modules. When we connect a group of elements together, we can transform them into a symbol. And this is where they'll be saved. We can also rename, delete, and reuse these here. These groups of elements are useful when you want to replicate a certain structure various times. Like when creating a menu, the best solution is going to be transforming these groups of elements into a symbol, and then placing this symbol in the necessary pages. This way, if we ever need to alter this symbol, these changes will be replicated across all pages that the symbol is used in. Symbols are really useful to optimize the delivery of your project. Here you can also find shared styles, which are the styles that you will create for your project. You can rename and eliminate specific styles here. Here you will find the modules. We currently don't have any, as we haven't created any yet. But you will create modules as you work on your app, and they will be stored here. Modules are structures of elements that can be reutilized in your various projects. Modules are different to symbols because if we reutilize the same module across various pages and then alter the module on one of the pages, these changes will not be reflected on other pages. And that's how you can access and work with symbols, shared styles, and modules.